Okay.
Hi guys, good afternoon again here. This is from my friend vlogging, Mr. Iqbal from Indonesia, my friend, together with our chief engineer Mo Dofer, with the driver for the time being, our tourist guide at the moment. We're just passing by the Dubai International Airport, and now we're heading to Burj Khalifa, the tower, the famous tower, the tallest tower in the whole world.
Yes.
And then we were planning to go to Dubai Mall after this time. And now we are about 10 minutes to reach the destinations that we're going to. We're just do some sightseeing from right, and we call it in the vessel port and starboard side, which is not much more view at this time, but in a couple of minutes we will be there for a while, and then that is all for this in the moment. We will continue the shoot later. Okay? Bye bye.
Sekarang kita udah sampai di Dubai Mall. Sekarang kita mau masuk ke dalam.
We gon' make it.